Hi mga friends! So, last weekend, we were in, Cathy and Tin was here, and we were in IKEA. So, this is IKEA. This is the, anong tawag dyan? The eco bag of IKEA. Isa lang naman yata ang IKEA in the Philippines eh. Tama ba ako? Hindi ko nakikita yung mark. It's IKEA. Anyway, this is the eco bag of IKEA. And haul natin from IKEA are plates. No? We found plates that are on sale, no? So yan, binago ni Cathy and Tin. Or ni Tin, no? So, ayan siya, oh. For 39 pesos. One price lang yata siya. If I'm not mistaken. So we have this one, soup bowl. They're all in green eh. Ito na sana yung bibili natin, no? But yun, para set siya. We bought that smaller piece. And the big plate. So each one we had 6 pieces. And carefully pumpkin natin yung So this is the plate. Ayan. Parang crystal, ayun, jade color green. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Tim, for this IKEA haul. So, we were there to buy our bed sheets. Hindi na nila nabili sa Abu Dhabi kasi additional sa luggage nila. So, instead, they bought it here in IKEA. Mas ano pa nga eh, affordable din pala. Akala ko mahal ang IKEA. But no, yan nga. Ito plates are 39 pesos each if I'm not mistaken. We have 6 of the big plates, 6 of the platter, and 6 of the soup bowl. Thank you, Kat and Tin, for our IKEA haul. Mamchi! See you on our next video. Hi mga Mamshi! Sharing with you our IKEA haul. So, isa lang naman yata IKEA in the Philippines, the one in MOA. Yan. So, we really went to IKEA to buy the bed sheets. We asked Cathy and Tin to buy us sa Abu Dhabi, but because of luggage reasons, yung over luggage, he decided to buy here at IKEA. Yan. So, 2 for their beds and 2 for my bed. So, yan. Yung binili nila actually, 1 is for Kuya Daniel, double bed. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Tin, for this. God bless you more so you can bless us more. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video. IKEA haul bed sheet. So, yan. Instead of Abu Dhabi, dito na lang tayo sa IKEA bumili ng ating bed sheet for our bed at saka 2 for Cat and Tin's bed. Instead of Abu Dhabi na magla-luggage po sila, they decided to buy here. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Tin, for my bed sheet. At may plate pa. We'll shoot it next. Nasa baba yung plates natin eh. Thank you, Tin. Thank you, Kat, for my bed sheets.